Well, welcome back to San Antonio Living. If there was something that you knew you could drink or eat that would help prevent Alzheimer's, wouldn't you drink it or eat it? Well, that's what they're testing out right now at the Clinical Trials of Texas. And joining us this morning, Dr. Amy Mulroy, who's a research psychiatrist, to tell us a little bit more about what goes on there. And just saying that sounds like it'd be a very exciting job trying to find cures for various diseases. What do you guys do at the Clinical Trials of Texas?
Well, this is a company that looks at a lot of different up-and-coming research, medications that can be used in various illnesses. And the one that we're looking at in this study is Alzheimer's disease. And it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, you're working with Danone on this, right?
This study is sponsored by Danone, which is in the Netherlands, but it's Danone in the U.S.
Okay, and the product is actually called Solvanade. What can it do?
Well, this is a product that is got a specially formulated combination of nutrients that together gives the brain building blocks to rebuild cellular connections to help memory.
Wow, okay, so walk me through how someone gets Alzheimer's and how a product like this could actually help them.
Well, there are many ways that we're thinking that Alzheimer's is caused. And currently the only treatments that we have available are medications that only slow the progression but don't actually prevent the illness. And this is really a new and exciting treatment that can potentially, hopefully, slow and or prevent the memory decline that happens in patients with Alzheimer's disease.
So eventually this could be something that's added into food, right? And it would be okay for anybody to take.
What's exciting is that it's not an actual medicine, but it's a medical food. And it is going to be, hopefully, once approved, available in like a grocery store for people to use.
I think that's amazing that science has come so far where we can actually use food and drinks and things that we find in the environment as a cure for something that's so big as Alzheimer's. It's got to be exciting working in that field.
Well, it's exciting just because it's so different.
You guys are looking for some people to help you find this cure, and I know that you are looking for some testers. Tell me what you are looking for and what people need to do to become a part of the study.
Well, we're looking for patients with a diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease who are currently being treated with the medications that are available. And the other aspect that we need for the study is that the patients need to have a caregiver with them so that we can also get reliable information from the caregiver about the patient's current memory status.
Okay, and about how long would a study like this take, and how long would that involve?
It's about a couple of months, and it doesn't involve much except coming to the appointments, being examined, having memory tests, and drinking the medical food.
So I'm sure you guys do this all the time. When you're doing this and you're looking at the research, how long does it take to go from the study portion to getting a product like this on the market?
It can take a long time.
Yeah.
And this study was looked at in the UK and England and shown to have some benefit in helping memory, but that was a proof of concept study, just looking and saying, yes, this looks like it will be something that's very good. And so it can be a while yet, but that's why we need volunteers for the study.
I'm sure people at home, so many people have someone in their lives, whether it's a family member, a friend, a mom or dad, who have been affected by Alzheimer's. So hearing that there might be something out there that could help their memory and help get them on the road to recovery is just great news.
It is really exciting because it's not only just a medication that people can use, but it's an addition of a medical food, so there's more than one treatment option.
All right, well, let me tell everybody about the Clinical Trials of Texas so you can get the information and pass that along to someone who might be able to take part in this clinical trial. They are out on Floyd Curl Drive in the 700 suite. You can go to saresearch.com for more information, or if you'd like to give them a call, the phone number is 210-949-0122.